program on the personality development in its correct perspective, at least for 2 weeks, so that the students of our university are more employable. This program also aims at improving your own way of understanding your life and smart interacting with the people and intelligently reacting to the situation of the life that you may get. Developing self-confidence and making you extrovert is therefore the aim of this seminar. It is stated मंजिलें उनको मिलती हैं, मंजिलें उनको मिलती है जिनके ख्वाबों में जान होती है, मंजिलें उनको मिलती है जिनके ख्वाबों में जान होती है। पंखुड़ियों से कुछ नहीं होता, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। This is what I have learned from our Vice Chancellor Agrawal sir. When he came, it was an examining body. Our university was nothing. Today we are spread everywhere. Our university has become world-class university because of the efforts that our Professor Agrawal sir has made. And I have learned that yes, हौसलों से ही उड़ान होती है। Credit goes to Dr. Vikas Arora sir, who had motivated me to support me in organizing this seminar. And then with the grace of God, Professor Rajesh C. Sikhan sir of the Frankfurt University of Germany has shown willingness to spare his valuable time for this session. My friend Dr. S. O. Junade, his doctor out of us had got sick, so he has not come. But Dr. S. O. Junade sir and my friend Dr. Bajuria sir, then of course he is very sick today, so he has given the message which has been made by Neha. And Dr. Manish Joshi sir all came to my help for organizing this seminar. My personal secretary Neha Mehta has requested Ms. Durani, she is still becoming a little late, who is corporate trainer, to contribute this seminar. Ma'am also has conveyed the consent. She is likely to come. Dr. M. N. Patel sir, our director of the university, has also consented to give Ashirvajan in the valedictory function. Today he has gone to Calcutta. He will be back around 2 o'clock and he will be coming here to give the Ashirvajan of the valedictory function. इसलिए तो the thing is बस हम यूं ही चलते गए और कारवा बनता गया, कारवा बनते बनते हम इस मुकाम तक पहुंच गए। सी यारों ने मेरे वास्ते क्या कुछ नहीं किया, तो हमारे शुक्रिया। Okay, we received almost 40 entries from different colleges of our university, and the total entries that we received were more than 400. Looking to the size of the hall, we have decided that we will be going for 250 entries. There are 20 teachers and 250 students that we have given the permission. Dr. Agrawal, our VC sir, again made the registration free. The registration is free for the students as well as for the faculty members. Please give the round of applause. Well, this program is divided into 3 sessions. The first session, technical session, will immediately start after the inaugural session is over. Session 1 is going to be conducted by Dr. Rajesh Sikhan sir. He is going to speak on personality and its perspective. Second speaker is Dr. Vikas Arora sir on personality enhancement. Then we will be having lunch. Then session 2 will be headed by Abhita Durani on art of presentation during the interview, and Mr. Manish Joshi on business etiquette. Then we will have debates. And the session 3rd will be an interactive session with all the speakers. And the reading session will start at about 4 o'clock. Concluding remarks will be given by Professor Dr. M. N. Patel and Dr. G. P. Rodeja. And then there will be distribution of the certificate and his high teaching. Okay. With this, I have to say, as a dean of the advancement of the GPU, and as a core group member of the CDC, and as a convener of the seminar, I want to tell you, I'll just take 5 minutes. I want to tell you 3 steps and 10 generic expectations that I have for you. This is in form of this slide.